Where's Benjamin?
You'll see him coming in that way.
Okay.
Now you gotta move. He's coming.
No more. Taking out the oil plug. Drain the oil.
Maybe overtime.
I don't know. I can't get this off. Got it. Shouldn't this have like an O-ring on it?
Oh my god, it doesn't? This is why you do it yourself. You want it done right.
Yeah, we're gonna take out the plug to let it drain as much as possible. Thank you.
What are they doing now, Frederick?
Taking out the filter.
Yeah. Could you toss a rag under here? Thank you.
You gonna put that in there?
Engine oil slot. Oh, hold on, hold on. Something's dripping. I'm going under. Yeah, that's water. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Before we took it down, that nothing else was dripping. It's not supposed to be, at least. Jack Sands are clear.
Okay.
Got him.
Everybody clear the car?
Clear!
Still the same day, though.
Doug's Garage, episode 2.
You want to see it.
Tire's still on the ground. There it goes. Let's see how we're gonna.
Tires got a lot of tread.